Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun to Life Canada, and today I'm going to introduce my dad to you, and he's going to show you how to dye a beard with no chemicals. Let's get started.
Hello friends, my name is Sarab. I am Ishdeep father, and today I will tell you how to tie the beard without using any chemical, just with the water. So I just took the bath and came out from the shower, and it's like very soft now, but you can use like little bit water more to make it soft. See, it's now soft, enough soft, and use any of the towel to just dry it. Don't rub the towel because it will make it like just soft, make it soft. Don't rub it. Now brush your beard with any of the brush that is available in the market easily. You can see my beard, it's taking its shape on its own. I will not use any chemical, just the water. So it's like over here. Now just take the rubber band. Black rubber band is better because it will hide in your black beard and it will not be shown. So take the beards, take the rubber band and tie your beard hard so that all the hair should come in. You can see it like this. See, all the hairs are here. Just tie the rubber band hard. You can make 2 or 3 folds to make as hard as you want. Like over here, one more. That's it. Now you have a tail out of it. You can put this tail somewhere in between. You will feel like it should not pain you, and also it should be comfortably fixed, otherwise it will lose the beard. It's sometimes it's hard to find out the space, but when you will do it several times you will find it easier. Like this is a perfect space to put the tail. Now you can see the tail, this is here. And again, take the brush, just make the little straight shape so that all the hair should come downwards, and try not to make that very dry. Now take any of the white cloth to just tie the beard, and it's like easy to tie the beard. You can see I tied it, and finally I didn't use any chemical. None of the chemical is being used. Tie it hardly so that every hair can take properly shape, and with slide you can put the leftover hairs inside, and try to make the shape with the slide too, so that if any of the hairs are in not proper shape, they can come in the same shape. Now it's like properly tied up beard, and it's very easy and comfortable because you have not used any chemical, so it will not harm your beard, and your beard hairs will remain very soft and smooth, and this will help you to be more comfortable with your regular lifestyle. Because if you use any chemical, any fix or any gel, it becomes hard, and sometimes when we get the sweat, it makes us very irritating and uncomfortable. So this is very soft and comfortable thing which I introduced myself, so I want to share it with you guys. So if you like this thing, you can share it with your friends and family, and please like the video if you like it, and subscribe and make it a good channel. Thank you friends joining with us. Bye bye. Hey guys, now it's been like 10 minutes. I have tied my beard, and now I'm gonna open in front of you guys so that you can see like what's the result after 10 minutes. Now you can see that this is how the beard looks like. It's been properly tied up, and some of the hairs you can see like here, they are coming on the ear. You can use slightly brush to straighten it up, Otherwise you can see like whole beard is properly tied up without anything. So if you guys like this thing and you want to share it with your friends and family, please go on and please subscribe this Fun to Life Canada channel. And thank you guys for tuning up with us. Bye bye.